Good day viewers, welcome back again to this channel. Very happy to have you guys back here with me. I'm right now inside the Mazda CX-5 and we will be doing some more maintenance on this car. And that is, we are going to be replacing the ATF fluid as well as the filter for this car. Stay tuned. Okay, so right now we have the engine cooled down. So the first step that we have to do is to remove this air intake components so we can access the transmission itself. And go underneath the vehicle. We have to remove this splash guard out of the way so we can drain the transmission fluid completely out of the transmission box. Okay, let's do that. And this is how it looks after you have removed the airbox completely out of the car. And as you guys can see right here, this is the transmission box, and using your 10mm to crack this nut loose, and this is for the filler bolt later on. Okay, once you have removed the under tray splash guard, you can access this drain bolt that we are going to be removing soon to let the fluid drain. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, set your oil pan underneath the vehicle to catch the oil later on, and get your ratchet attached with hex key number 8 like this one, so we can crack this sump plug loose. Let's do that. Okay, just give this transmission plug a wipe down, and don't forget to replace this gasket, crusher gasket, with a new one, so you will prevent any leaks later on in the long run. Okay, just to retighten this sump plug back, in order for us to replace the filter, which is located inside the pan, we have to loosen and take off these 10mm bolts. There are about 16 bolts that we have to remove. Just be careful to remove them. Just do it slowly. Okay, let's go. As you guys can see, once we have the pan out, this is the filter that we are going to be replacing. It's just held by two 10mm bolts, which is one right here, and the other should be back here. There will be some more oil dripping down from this filter itself. Just be very careful. Cleaning this oil pan right now. See this sludge? It's very dirty. And this is not good. I'll be right back. Wrench with a 10mm socket. We are going to be retightening these two bolts to its manufacturer spec, which is 9 Newton meters of torque. And this is the oil pan that has been cleaned. Don't forget about this magnet. Place it back into here. It's good. Transmission pan back on. We have to reseal it back. Since it doesn't come with a gasket, we have to use something like this RTV gray silicon or even the red one, just to make sure it is good for a higher heat resistance as well as outstanding oil resistance. And this is the result. So we are going to wait about 10 minutes before we can put this on. check the level again. Nope, we still have to top it up until this line. And beautiful, we have it on this line. Perfect. Okay, and you're done and complete. I hope you guys enjoy this type of video, and if you guys are new, please consider subscribing to this channel to give your full support, and I will see you again on next episode. Peace.